Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out the markets and stocks on the Bing Your AI Copilot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the money option below the search bar. Here you can see three categories at the top below the search bar, such as the watch list, markets, and market news. As you tap on the watch list, you can start creating your watch list. Here you can upload screenshots to transfer your list, and here are the suggestions for you. As you tap on the markets option at the top, you can check out the markets such as America's market, currencies, commodities. As you tap on market news, you can check out the news related to the market. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.